Proton was established in 1983 as Malaysia's first national car maker. Its first model, the Proton Saga, was launched in 1985. Since then, Proton has grown significantly, especially after its partnership with Geely in 2017, which had improved its technology, product quality, and global reach. Proton's manufacturing hub is in Tanjung Malim, Perak, known as a Proton City. It's fully integrated plant with assembly, painting, engine manufacturing, and quality control lines. In this project, we focused on how Proton plants and control its production to ensure efficiency and consistent output.
Which is the methodology of our projects, which is we study about protons methodology to achieve the goal of proton methodology, which is we start selecting company of interested, which is we select proton, and next we study and research on the company's current operation, and we analyze and then we move to analyze and discussion of company's operation management strategies. And the last one is propose future recommendation. For next is the study and research on the company current operation, which is we know that E and F stamping lines, which is equipped with the IR 4.0 robotics, real-time data analytics, and advanced stamping machine. Second is new engine assembly. From now we know that Proton start to use tech features, which is error proofing and real-time defect detection. Third is advanced production training tools, which is work in progress tracking and department coordination. The last one is flexibility and agility in production, which is Proton close to use modular production cells, handle high mixed or low volume or high volume. Quick response manufacturing, QRM, which is fast reaction to demand change. And last one is flexible manufacturing system, which is multiple models, capability with a fast reconfiguration. That's all.
Proton Holdings Berhad operates a fully integrated value chain from R&D to after sales with Geely partnership. Proton applies best global practices just like just-in-time, Kaizen, and 5S. R&D in Shah Alam focus on hybrid and autonomous tech, while lean manufacturing is used in Tanjung Malim. Efficient production is ensured through strong forecasting, capacity planning, and ERP integration. The plan layout and automation reflect a strong commitment to Industry 4.0 and sustainability. As consultants, we suggest Proton adopt AI-driven forecasting and digital twin technology to improve production planning and reduce inefficiencies. A smart supplier relationship management system will boost supply chain responsiveness, especially for key components. Lastly, upskilling the workforce and committing to sustainable practices will future-proof Proton's operation while strengthening brand trust.
So for the result and discussion, the Proton Holding Berhad vision are to become a globally successful Malaysian automotive manufacturer, also to acquire technology and strengthen Malaysia industrial capabilities. And the Proton Holding Berhad mission are to lead the national automotive industrialization and to acquire technology and strengthen Malaysia industrial capabilities, and also to lay the foundation for the local automotive industry. So for the Proton company key findings, which are strategic partnership with Lee, revitalized brand and operations, and also successful new model Proton X70 and also X50 dominate the local market. They also strive strong domestic performance through pricing, quality, and service upgrade. They also expand the export markets over 10 countries, including EAPS and Pakistan. They also transition to EVs via EMS and automotive high-tech relays. Also focus on R&D and innovation for sustainability, future-ready vehicles. And they also evolving into globally competitive tech-driven automaker. So for the Proton company financial performance, it actually increased from 2019 to 2023 and actually dropped a bit at 2024. And this actually proves that Proton shows financial recovery and strong sales, but need to improve profit stability and manage operational risks. So for the Proton operation and supply chain management, the Proton has upgraded its factory in Tanjung Malim with modern technologies such as automation and robotics. Proton managed the full production process from research and design, metal processing, engine building, and to final car assembly, giving it more control and better efficiency. Proton support local part suppliers, and now 87% of them work with companies from China to help them build parts for electrical vehicles. The Proton Part Center in Germania handles between 2.5K and 4.5K part order every day. As they can store more than RM 130 million worth of parts. They also use a new warehouse system from GLE that increased delivery speed by 35%, reduced unfinished inventory by 63%.
Next, I will talk about the SWOT analysis of Proton. Proton's strength includes strong brand recognition in Malaysia, government support, and its strategic alliance with Geely, giving it access to global technologies. However, it faces challenges like limited international visibility and a delayed entry into the EV market. Opportunities lie in expanding to ASEAN and Middle Eastern markets and adopting advanced EV and smart manufacturing technologies. But threats such as fierce global competition and rapid tech changes remain significant hurdles. Proton Sdn Bhd is driving sustainability by aligning with environmental, social and governance principles. Environmentally, it's investing in electric vehicles, adopting cleaner engines and generating solar power at its Tanjung Malin plant. Socially, Proton empowers youth through technical training programs and promotes inclusive hiring. Economically, it supports local SMEs by sourcing up to 90% of its vehicle parts locally. Backed by leadership commitment and national carbon neutrality goals, Proton is positioning itself as a responsible, forward-looking automaker for a greener Malaysia. Proton's strategy focuses on product innovation, market expansion, advanced technology and brand repositioning. Through its partnership with Geely, Proton gained access to global platforms, powering models like the X70 and X50. It's entering the EV market with hybrid and electric vehicles aligned with national sustainability goals. Proton is also digitizing operations, transforming its Tanjung Malin plant into a smart factory, with expanding exports to over 10 countries and a push to become a tech-driven, high-quality brand. Proton is positioning itself for global competitiveness and long-term growth.
So for the recommendations, we suggest Proton to implement real-time dashboard, improve coordination with suppliers to the digital platform, and expand lean manufacturing training to enhance efficiency and support continuous improvement. For the conclusion, Proton has a well-structured production system supported by strong planning and controls. With digital tools and better forecasting, there's great potential to improve efficiency and stay competitive in the automotive industry.